Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check CPU temperature on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let me just expand this for you to see. So this is my CPU temperature level, you see that? So this is the CPU activity. So here, I'm going to show you how to check this. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to check CPU temperature on Windows 10 or Windows 11, all you need to do is right click on the start button, then select Task Manager, or better still, right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. Once you selected Task Manager, this is what you're going to see. Then you should see the Task Manager processing, or if you click on Settings, right click on it, or if you right click on Settings, select Task Manager. This is going to open your Windows Task Manager. Then you should see Processes. Now, to check the CPU temperature, just come down here and select Performance. Once you selected Performance, hang on a couple of seconds, then you should see your Windows CPU performance. So this is the performance thread. I can say this is performance activity. And that is basically how you can see the CPU. And if under performance, the CPU is not selected, maybe you have memory, disk, WAV file, or GPU, just come here and make sure you select CPU under performance. And then you should see your CPU temperature here. So that is basically how to check CPU temperature on Windows 10 as well as on Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.